Harsh is joining us. He's been standing by for a while. Harsh, the IPO Bajaj Housing Finance. We have the price band. We have more details. Tell us.
Well, yes. Let me first start off with the basics with regard to where Bajaj Housing stacks up. In terms of the IPO itself, it's a 6,560 crore rupee IPO. 3560 is the fresh issue. Bajaj Finance, which owns 100% of the company, is set to sell 3,000 odd crore, and now we have the price band 66 to 70 rupees a share, and to that I'll add the valuation picture as well. But more details. Well, shareholder reservation, promoters, those who own or are shareholders in the promoter entities, 500 crore is the shareholder reservation, but you need to hold the stock or the share in your demat account before the 30th of August to be eligible for this. Now, bids for anchor investors to start 6th of September. We are moving on to dates. 9 to 11th is when the IPO will be open for subscription. 35% reserved for the retail category. In terms of what stands out for this company, AUM has grown at a 72% CAGR from FY18 to FY24, maybe on a lower base, but 72% on an AUM size of almost 1 lakh crore is extremely strong. Currently, what's the current growth clip? Around 31%, which is also the strongest in the industry even now as we speak. The current AUM, as I did mention, is 97,071 crore rupees as of Q1 FY25. In terms of PAT, well, I spoke about AUM growth, 72% CAGR. PAT has grown at 136% CAGR, possibly a sign for times to come. 136% growth annualized. Now, just in terms of ROAs, they're on an improving trend, and the current ROA stands at 2.35 or 2.4 odd %. That's where the ROA currently stands at. Let's switch focus to asset quality. It's got best-in-class asset quality currently. GNPA is at sub 0.3%, NNPA is at just about 0.1%. Capital adequacy continues to remain strong despite this listing, which will further add to the capital adequacy and growth clip in terms of bandwidth. Lastly, with regard to valuations, Bajaj Finance trades at 5.5 times. Bajaj Housing, the current book value per share roughly computed by us is 19 rupees. This is pre-money, this is pre-listing, and at a band of 66 to 70 rupees a share, it's currently priced at 3.7 times price to book. So very interesting one. Well, in terms of where peer valuations stack up, Bajaj Housing at 3.7, but look at LIC, PNB and Canfin Homes, cheaper. Some slightly in line or more expensive will be an Aadhar, Aavas, Aptus and Home First. That's how they're all stacking up in terms of peer valuations as well.
Thank you for that, Harsh. This is a big one and the street's going to be quite excited about it. Along with this is also Muthoot's subsidiary that's got IPO approval to raise about 1,000 odd crores. So that could be one more stock to track in early minutes of trade.